Melody and I have arrived at Sunshine Key RV Resort in the Florida Keys. Let me show you around. Sunshine Key Resort is located on Ohio Key in the Florida Keys. This is the beach area, the swimming beach. There's several areas where you can swim here at Sunshine Key RV Resort. But this is the main beach area. Melody and I are camped just down the road here. I'll show you our campsite from the walking trail along US Highway 1 here in a minute. But what I want to tell you is this RV campground is in a really great location. You're just 2 miles from the entrance to Bahia Honda State Park in the Florida Keys. After you clear the entrance gate, they'll have you pull in one of these spaces. There's 4 or 5 spaces here for you to pull your RV in. After you park your RV, you'll walk into the office right there, and they'll check you in. So this is the office where you'll check in. Right off to the right of the office, they have a map. The folks in there are really nice. They had us checked in and at our site within half an hour I was set up. I'm down at site 315. It's not too far from the beach area I showed you. I'm going to give you a walking tour. Some of the key points I'm going to point out on this map is Sunset Pier up at the top here. There's a marina right off of Sunset Pier. You can also fish and swim off of Sunset Pier. There is a fuel station, gas station, grocery store right outside of the entrance to Sunshine Key RV Resort. And there is a marina store which has even a better gift shop in there. And I'll take you over there. So without further ado, let's go on a walking tour. Sunshine Key RV Resort in the Florida Keys. Here's a look at the marina area. The marina store's off to your left. I'll take you up there in a minute. Melody and I were out here this morning. We saw some manatee right here in the marina. I'll put up a few photographs and a clip or two. Well, another evening here at Sunshine Key RV Resort. Another day when the tarpon are out. Those are truly massive fish. Look at the size of these guys. In this building, you'll find a marina store and bait shop here at Sunshine Key RV Resort. They have some really nice hats in there. In addition to gifts, they also have fishing paraphernalia, bait. You can buy ice here. There were several people in here manning the marina. It seems like a pretty busy place. Right across from the marina store, you'll find the laundry. In that building right there. Melody did a video for you. I'll cut to that video right now.
I'm in the laundry room today at Sunshine Key RV Resort and Marina in Big Pine Key, Florida. They have 12 washers and 12 dryers. It is $2.25 to wash, and they do take credit cards. To dry, you are looking at $2.25 also. And they do take credit card with the dryers as well. Over here you'll find a folding table and a couple of baskets. And check out that view that you will see while you're doing your laundry. They have some chairs out here so you can sit outside while your laundry's being done.
And of course, they have a boat ramp here at the marina. At the opposite end of the marina, you'll find a fish cleaning station. Right behind me is the entrance to the pier. It's a pretty neat little area. There's water flowing through here. They have it's almost like a, I don't know, like a bypass to keep the water flowing through the marina. This is Sunset Pier. They walk you out to the end. The water here at Sunshine Key RV Resort is spectacular. This little gate and the steps going down into the water is where you can go to swim. You're allowed to swim right around the buoys here. There is a little current just beyond those buoys, so you don't want to venture out too far. People are allowed to fish off this pier as well. That's the US Highway 1 you're looking at off in the distance. But take a view of this water. Isn't that something? And they have a couple benches out here for you to sit on. Wow. Sunshine Key RV Resort and here in the Florida Keys truly is a spectacular RV destination. Melody and I have looked forward to this stop our entire 2021-2022 snowbird season. This is really our capstone to our 9-month snowbird season this year. Oh, wow. Last year we stayed at Fiesta Key RV Resort shortly after we upgraded our Thousand Trails membership to the Adventure membership. And this year we made it to Sunshine Key RV Resort. Again, had no problem booking with that Adventure membership. We can book 90 days out. That's 30 days more than most folks who are Thousand Trails members, which allowed us to snag fantastic RV destinations such as this one. If you follow our YouTube channel, you know Melody and I love free and affordable RV camping. Did I tell you how much we're paying to stay here at Sunshine Key RV Resort? $20 a night, folks, using our Thousand Trails membership. That is affordable RV camping. And they do have premium, what they call premium RV sites here at Sunshine Key RV Resort. That's one of them right there. It's like 452. Looks like it's vacant. Now, can you imagine back in your camper up here and having this view out of your rear window of your RV? Pretty darn cool.
See that? That is low. That's how far out he is. Check it out. And he's walking on sand. There's a big sandbar right here.
Bahia Honda State Park is my favorite state park in all of Florida. Look at this water. You go down to the first parking area after you come in the entrance station. You walk back up toward the entrance station. This is my favorite part of the beach. The sandbars really widen out. You can walk it out here for quite a ways. I was just out here. Spent about a half hour out here. I didn't have my camera. I walked back and picked up Melody's camera. And I just wanted to show you just how spectacular this water is when you walk out in. I'm only out here to it's not even covering my feet. And I'm this far from the shore. Look how beautiful. And Sunshine Key RV Resort is only 2 miles down the road, folks. And not too far from the beach area, they have a little tiny house village. And the tiny houses are pretty cute. Melody and I are on Bonito Lane. And there's our Cougar fifth wheel right there. We have a 50 amp full hookup site. It even includes cable. We get lots of cable channels to include all your major news carriers, and the channels are crystal clear, folks. If you want to pay for Wi-Fi, they have Wi-Fi throughout the park. That's a Wi-Fi tower right next to my rig. They have free Wi-Fi. They have a free Wi-Fi hotspot in one of the common areas here in the park as well. Let me show you what I got on the grill. We went down to Winn-Dixie. They have seafood and all kinds of meats. These are hot sausages that we picked up at the deli at Winn-Dixie Big Pine Key, just about 5 minutes away. Can't wait. I love hot sausage. Especially in RV life, we all have our assigned duties, don't we? Here's a look at the pool at Sunshine Key RV Resort. Melody and I are here at Sunset Pier. Let's go check out the light show tonight. I just wanted to give you a little look in the evening of what the resort looks like. Melody is always making friends. Saw those dogs over there and she's checking them out. But I'll throw up. I'm not going to give the normal walking tour I give and showing the best campsites, because all the sites are assigned before you even get here. But I'll throw up some photos of what the park looks like right now. Melody and I did several day trips to Key West, Florida during our stay. Be sure to catch our video of the Glass Bottom Boat Tour, link at the end of this video. We had an amazing time at Sunshine Key RV Resort. We will be back. Want to know what we really think about Thousand Trails? check out our 3-year membership review, link at the end of this video. From Sunshine Key RV Resort in the Florida Keys, I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If y'all like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.